So much fun! There you go. Keep it going. All right, interview time. So this is my friend Michelle.
Hi.
She's a crazy runner, mother of two, a beast of a trail runner.
Not really.
She is. What are you training for right now? What are you training for right now?
Mount Hood 50.
Exactly, 50 miler. 50 miler. Anyways, why do you run, Michelle? Why did you start running trails?
I actually started running trails because I got into the wrong group of friends. So as a road runner, move down here, meet a few people, you know who you are, who took me on trails. And they just gave me that potent trail ultra running crack. And here I am.
You did a 100 miler last year. It was pretty brutal. What made you still, why did you still want to run after that?
I have serious mental health. No, there's nothing better than being out here. Look at where we are. Quiet, green, way better than sleeping in.
All right, so what is your training plan for this 50 miler?
Run a lot. No specific plan, just run a lot. Back to back long run, tired, training on tired legs.
All right, so aside from your 50 miler, what other races do you have coming up?
I have Ragnar Trail in June.
Okay, where?
Colorado.
Okay.
With the Orange Med team. Woo woo. Hashtag the dirt unit. And I signed up for a road race, Rob.
Why? Why would you do that? See, this is the problem with running and trail running, that your friends that say are your friends in the trail and running community are not really your friends. Why? Road sucks.
Well, the peer pressure. And so now the question is, do I try to qualify for Boston?
Fuck.
That means lots of training on the road.
Well, that's the problem with you,
With me.
is that you're competitive. So there is no question of if I should qualify for Boston. You're gonna go for it.
Oh, will you help me?
I'll watch
Will you run on road with me?
I'll watch you.
You ride your bike next to me?
I will pace you, I will feed you. I hate road running. But, yeah.
I might just run it for fun.
Yeah, right.
You know?
You're competitive.
We'll see. We'll see.
So when you're doing 30 milers, 50 milers, 100 milers, how do you eat while you're running?
Awful. Beef jerky, pickles, potato chips. What else do I love?
I have burritos.
Potatoes, yep.
I have sandwiches.
Yep.
Nutella sandwiches are bomb.
Oh, got through my first
Watermelon with salt is delicious.
Oh,
What else? What else? Musubi.
that was my favorite.
Oh, so good. Potato balls.
With salt. Yeah.
Yep. And I'm not much of a Coke drinker anymore, but for some reason, after every trail run, long trail run, my body is craving a Dr. Pepper. Ice cold from a can, not a bottle.
Back to schooler.
Oh.
Back to schooler. Never wanted Coke till my 100.
Yeah.
That stuff is truly the nectar of the gods.
All right, so let's get down and dirty. We gotta take a shit.
Oh no, we're gonna go there.
We gotta take a shit while we're running 100 miles for 24 hours. What do we do? Besides the baby wipes and just, you know, pop a squat.
The bathroom right there. I have to go twice in my 100. You, unfortunately, was there for one of them.
So this relationship kind of got better. We got closer once I helped pace her.
She's still my friend.
And I'm still her friend.
After seeing
She still likes me.
in all my glory.
But yeah, I had to run with a bucket. I had to hold a bucket. I had to hold the trash bag that was initially in the bucket.
What a true friend.
Whew.
A true friend drives a van 81 miles with your poop in it. It's a true friend.
It was not pretty. But it was a fun adventure.
It was.
Can't wait for you to do the same for me.
You doing it? Let's go.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm
I
not.
will gladly lay your bucket out, put the Biffy bag in, and once you close it, I'll drive with it in the back of the van.
There we go.
That's how
And there were sections, so this was like 2 in the morning, pitch black in the middle of nowhere, and all you hear is rustling in the woods. And so there were sections where, you know, she's popping her squat and we just had to like pay attention if anything was coming. Because she was in a vulnerable position.
Gosh, I can't believe you're still my friend.
All right, well that's expected if you're gonna be trail running. I recommend trail running more than I recommend road running.
Not as glamorous as it looks.
Not as glamorous as it looks, but
Don't be fooled by our pictures.
always an adventure. And you're always away from civilization. I think that's like the best part. That's what I appreciate the most. It's my time away from the busyness in the world, time away from all the smog, time away from all the crazy people, the stress. And I mean, look at the views. That's all you need. And if you're cool like us, we like to do run rises, where we start running like 5 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning, and the sun shows up as soon as we hit the peak of the mountain.
No sun today though.
No sun today though,
It's alright.
but it's nice.
It looks pretty out.
All right, we out.